Good day everyone. I don't usually do storytime videos, but this was something really cool that I want to share. So a short while ago, in a land far, far away from any opposite on the globe, a friend challenged me to produce something. I had left a comment on a post he had made about a refund that will never come, but he made some interesting fake commercials based on the top questions people searched for. Hilarious as always. No, like seriously, it's really fantastic. You should actually check it out. Links in the description. I adapted one of his lines, extended it, and a challenge was born. He even called me Mr. Love that. So without further ado, I present to you the result. Friends don't let friends attend MAGA rallies or be abducted by aliens alone. Easy mistake to make, no one's perfect. Group packages offer flexibility on return time and enslavement options. Planning your trip yet? The trip is out there. I love teaching you guys about Blender, and the main instrument for that is my voice. You have a project that needs a voice that really works for it, and mine is it. I adore narration, dubbing, commercials, and IVR. You can contact me through my websites or by email. Now back to the video. I had waited a day or so for a response, and those comedic pleasantries surfaced again. Here's what he had to say. On a serious note, it was a super fun challenge and I'd recommend it to the VO communities. Have a challenge like November or Inktober, where you write and produce a full demo every week of the month based on a prompt. We can call it VO Spoof January or something, I don't know. I'll leave some prompts in the description. You can share what you make on social media and tag it in a clever way, something like #VOSpoof. It doesn't have to be comical in nature. A spoof is generally comical, but you can use the opportunity to make some really legit new demos for your reel. So that's it. Hope you guys have an awesome day. God bless you.